Imagine a place where you can mail a coconut without any packaging, an island ruled by thousands of free-roaming rabbits, or a tiny nation that has its own currency and time zone. What if I told you there's even a town where loud shoes are banned, or a bridge so short that you can cross an entire international border in just one step? Yeah, the world is full of strange and unbelievable places. So stick around as we uncover 10 of the weirdest geography facts that will change the way you see our planet. But first, if you love exploring the most mind-blowing and unexpected places on Earth, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos. Now let's dive right in. Number 1, the one-of-a-kind underwater post office. Have you ever imagined sending a letter from the bottom of the ocean? It sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie. But on a small island in Vanuatu, this is absolutely real. Vanuatu, a tiny island nation in the South Pacific, is home to the world's first and only underwater post office. Opened in 2003, this unique post office is located about 3 meters, 10 feet below the surface, just off the shore of Hideaway Island. To send a postcard from this underwater post office, visitors need to purchase special waterproof postcards. Then they can either scuba dive or simply snorkel to personally drop their postcards into the mailbox. But the most fascinating part? The postal workers here also have to wear diving gear to collect and stamp the mail. The underwater post office is not just a quirky tourist attraction. It also helps raise awareness about ocean conservation. More than just a fun place to visit, it carries an important message about protecting marine ecosystems and preserving nature. Number 2. The mysterious island in Japan. A kingdom of thousands of rabbits. Have you ever imagined an island where thousands of rabbits roam freely, hopping around, surrounding you, and asking for food? If you love animals, especially adorable bunnies, then you definitely need to visit Okunoshima, also known as Rabbit Island in Japan. This small island, located off the coast of Hiroshima Prefecture, has become a unique tourist attraction thanks to its special inhabitants. Thousands of wild but incredibly friendly rabbits. They run along the roads, hide in the forests, and even approach humans in search of treats. But do you know why there are so many rabbits on this island? There are several theories about their origins. Some believe that the rabbits are descendants of a group released by school children in the 1970s. Others say they are linked to the island's mysterious past. During World War II, Okunoshima was once a secret site for chemical weapons production, and some believe that a group of test rabbits escaped and multiplied over the years. Today, Okunoshima is no longer a place of war, but a paradise for animal lovers. Visitors can take a ferry to the island, bring food for the rabbits, and enjoy the magical experience of being surrounded by dozens of them. But here's an interesting fact. The island has no dogs or cats to ensure the rabbits' safety. If you ever travel to Japan, be sure to visit this special island. You won't just get to play with these adorable rabbits, but you'll also discover a hidden piece of Japan's history. Number 3. Africa is splitting in two. A new ocean is forming. Have you ever imagined that, in the future, the world map could look completely different? A massive geological event is happening in Africa. This continent is slowly splitting into two. And in a few million years, a brand new ocean will emerge, dividing the land into two separate parts. This phenomenon is caused by the East African Rift System, EARS, one of the largest cracks on Earth's surface. This rift stretches over 3,000 km, 1,164 miles, from Ethiopia in the north to Mozambique in the south. Scientists have discovered that the Earth's crust in this region is gradually being pulled apart at a rate of a few millimeters to a few centimeters per year, about the same speed as our fingernails grow. A clear example of this process occurred in 2005, when a 56 kilometers, 35-mile crack suddenly appeared in Ethiopia after just a few days of earthquakes and volcanic activity. This event proved that continental splitting is not just a slow, silent process. It can also happen suddenly and dramatically. As this separation continues, a part of East Africa, including countries like Ethiopia, Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania, and Mozambique, will eventually break away from the rest of the continent. Over time, seawater will fill the gap, creating a new ocean, much like how the Red Sea formed millions of years ago. Although this event will take millions of years to complete, It is a fascinating example of Earth's ever-changing nature. In the distant future, our planet might have a brand new continent and ocean. What do you think about this incredible transformation? Let us know in the comments. Number 4. Mailing a coconut in Hawaii. No box, no wrapping needed. Can you believe it? In Hawaii, you can mail a coconut through the postal service without a box or any wrapping. Just write the address directly on the coconut, stick a stamp on it, and it's good to go. This unique tradition dates back decades when locals and tourists wanted to send a special souvenir to family and friends. Some post offices in Hawaii, especially on Molokai Island, even offer decoration services, turning each coconut into a creative natural postcard. However, there are a few rules. The coconut must be clean, dry, and free of rough husks to ensure safe shipping. The cost depends on the size and destination, but a small coconut can be shipped anywhere in the world. If you ever visit Hawaii, why not try mailing a coconut as a fun keepsake? Number 5. The Crooked Forest in Poland, a mystery yet to be solved. The Crooked Forest in Poland, a mystery yet to be solved. In Poland, there's a bizarre forest with over 400 pine trees that all bend at a perfect J shape. This strange woodland is located near the village of Gryfino and has puzzled scientists for decades. Each tree in the forest curves 90 degrees near its base before growing straight up. What's even stranger is that the surrounding trees are completely normal. So what caused this phenomenon? Some theories suggest that humans deliberately shaped the trees when they were young for shipbuilding or furniture. Others believe heavy snow or a gravitational anomaly influenced their growth. However, no definitive explanation has ever been confirmed. Regardless of the reason, the Crooked Forest remains a fascinating destination for tourists and researchers from around the world. Number 6. The world's shortest international bridge. Just 3.2 meters between Spain and Portugal. Have you ever heard of a bridge that connects two countries but is only 3.2 meters long? That's exactly what exists between Spain and Portugal. This tiny bridge spans a small stream between the village of La Codocera in Spain and Arronches in Portugal. With just 3 steps, you can walk from one country to another in mere seconds. Despite its small size, this bridge holds great historical and cultural significance, symbolizing the friendship between these neighboring nations. Number 7. Noisy shoes banned on Italy's Capri Island for absolute silence. Capri, Italy's breathtaking island paradise, has a rather unusual rule: no noisy shoes allowed. This law was introduced to preserve the island's peaceful atmosphere. Locals believe that the sound of high heels or hard-soled shoes can disrupt Capri's serene environment. As a result, visitors are encouraged to wear soft-soled footwear or even go barefoot. Capri has long been a retreat for celebrities like Audrey Hepburn, Ernest Hemingway, and European royalty. Maintaining its tranquility is part of what makes this island so special. If you ever visit, make sure to bring a pair of quiet shoes. Number 8. A micronation in Nevada, with its own currency and time zone. Have you ever heard of the Republic of Molossia? It's a self-proclaimed micronation located in the U.S. state of Nevada, with a population of only about 30 people. Founded by Kevin Baugh in 1977, Molossia is not officially recognized by any country, but it has everything a nation would have: its own flag, passports, a currency called the Valora, and even its own time zone. Visitors can take a tour of Molossia, but they must follow strict laws. Certain items, such as onions, water guns, and windmills, are completely banned. While Molossia is mostly a fun experiment, it continues to attract curious tourists every year. Number 9. The entire world's population could fit in Los Angeles? The entire world's population could fit in Los Angeles? It sounds unbelievable, but according to calculations, if all 9 billion people on Earth stood shoulder to shoulder like at a crowded concert, we could all fit inside Los Angeles. On average, a person takes up about 0.1 square meters when standing. Given Los Angeles's total area of around 1,200 square kilometers, the entire world population could technically squeeze in, though it would be extremely cramped. While this is just a thought experiment, it highlights the fact that Earth has plenty of space. The real challenge isn't land, but how we manage resources. Number 10. The Earth's magnetic North Pole is drifting toward Russia at 50 km per year. The Earth's magnetic North Pole is constantly moving, but in recent years, it's been shifting faster than ever, at a speed of about 50 kilometers per year. Toward Russia, the magnetic North Pole is different from the geographic North Pole. It's the point that compasses point to, affecting everything from GPS navigation to airplane routes. Scientists believe this rapid movement is due to changes in the Earth's molten iron core. If this trend continues, navigation maps may need significant updates in the coming decades.